A few days ago, there are news we have seen in the social media accusing the rampant illegal trading of cattle. So immediately, I have written to the IGBSF, Mr. Upadhyaya G, and subsequently today we had a meeting with the IG of BSF, his team, and the veterinary department. And here we are having 5 points that we have discussed. And we are also having a notification also we have discussed. Publish the notification, draft of the notification is here according to the rules of the veterinary. And that also we have discussed. And we have requested the authority of the BSF to intensify the checking in collaboration with the police department and the border magistrate. And based on the suggestion of department and the BSF, we are to speed up the border fencing. Because based on the record, in the border within JINGKHAïi and JYLLA, there is 27 kilometers left to complete the full-fledged fencing in the border of JINGKHAïi and JYLLA, and there is about 7 kilometers plus approximate in Garo Hills area left. So the authority of the BSF are requested to issue us the details, information, then the details of the area, the area which are left to be fully complete the fencing. And we have also discussed for setting up of checkpoint in vulnerable area where cattle smuggling going on jointly with the police and the veterinary department with the authority of the BSF. And we have also discussed, and I have requested the officer of the veterinary department to immediately set up the special task force based on rules. The special task force should be constituted in all districts for transportation, to detect the transportation of the seized cattle, the point that we have also discussed with the BSF, they have given us 13 days time to give all their suggestions regarding the remaining part of the fencing to be fenced, completely to be fenced. The report given by the BSF that the smuggling, the animals, the cattle seized by the BSF, the police and the veterinary, it is decreasing day by day based on the report.